Welcome to the Blu-ray podcast, Baller on the Budget, the basics of household finance.
We're your hosts. I'm Rana Rivera.
And this is Luis Rivera.
And before we get started on our financial adventure, we have a few things to go over.
This podcast is about how to budget, live below your means, accomplish your financial freedom, and how to better your life.
And a quick disclaimer, we are not financial advisors. This podcast is for entertainment and educational purposes only.
Yep, so we hope you enjoy this ride as we all better our lives.
Yeah.
Welcome back to another episode, and today we're going to be talking about categorizing your bank statements and the why this is important. So we have bank statements from our bank account that we can check every month, and from there we can find some pretty good information, the information about our spending habits, and from there we can make some adjustments that can help us with saving money or not spending too much money or overspending or spending money on unnecessary things. So this is important. This is a big one. So this is how it works. Basically, we can do it once a year just to check it. If you have never done it before, you're doing it for the first time. So we're gonna get 3 months of bank statements, and we're going to look at every expense that we have done in the last 3 months, and we're going to categorize every expense. We will have the expense of restaurants, and anything that is related will go into that category. So any fast food, any dining out, any buying pizza, whatever it is that is related to restaurants can go into that category. So the point of doing that is so that way at the end of the 3 months you can have a average of how much it is that you're spending every month in your food category, right? And so from there you can make a conclusion whether you're overspending on food or you're spending just enough or what, right? And so if you think that you're overspending, then you can make some changes to your spending habits and maybe come up with a budget. Instead of spending this much in food, restaurants, now I will be spending only this much. So that will help you. It will keep you restricted to how much money you want to spend. I mean, you create the budget, you say, I'm just gonna spend this much, and that's it. One way that you can make sure that that's happening is you can get cash from your bank and use that cash for food, right? You can create an envelope that is for food and then use that cash just for that. So whenever you run out of cash, then you know that you cannot spend more money in eating out. So every week you can have an envelope, assign some money to that envelope. You know that envelope is for restaurants. Spend only that much money, and like that you will be able to save money. So that's the point of categorizing your bank statements, to find out where you are overspending. And so with that information, now you can create a more specific budget for that week or for every week, right? And from there, work your finances. Try to spend less, be more specific on what you're gonna be spending on what, and that will help. That's one of the key things that we have to do, categorizing our bank statements, finding out where we're spending our money and how much, and then finding out how much we should be spending, and so therefore creating those budgets, right? So that's it for today. categorizing your bank statements. Make sure you do that. And yeah, you're one step closer to uh, be financially free, what you have always dreamed of, right? So thank you so much for visiting this channel again, and I will see you the next time. Until then, go out there and better your life.